guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritika and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and vlogs sometimes. So after a really long time, I'm here sitting in front of the camera and filming a YouTube video. It feels unreal because I filmed my last YouTube video back in December. Yeah, in December, and after that I did not film, and it's May. Like, I'm so sorry about this distance, but I hope today I am going to give you guys a nice explanation, like a valid explanation, like why I was not active on my socials, and why I keep on disappearing. But while doing my makeup, because otherwise the video will be very blah and very boring. तो obviously मैं ये नहीं चाहती. So yeah, I mean, I am going to do my makeup while giving you guys like a major life update. And as far as I remember, I have never spoken to you guys about me and what I do, and everything, like a little sneak peek behind the camera. So yeah, in today's video, that's what I'm going to do. So if you're new to my channel or someone who had subscribed me, but I just keep posting one video and then I disappear, this video is for you guys because I am going to share a lot about my personal life, and also try to not overshare a lot because I have this problem of oversharing. So yeah, now let's just get started with the video because the intro is super long, which obviously I don't want. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. Okay, तो चलो start करते हैं. I'll start by putting my hair aside with this cutesy clip which is pink in color. काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे पिंक काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. तो क्या इसका मतलब ये बनता है कि आई एम हीलिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड? यू गाइस टेल मी. ओके, तो हो मेरी लाइफ अपडेट सुनने के बाद आप लोग बोलोगे कि नहीं, यू आर नॉट हीलिंग राइट नाउ, यू विल हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट हीलिंग थिंग. बट या हम कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं बोलेंगे, वी विल बी पॉजिटिव. सो या, लेट्स जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव एंड get started with the video. लाइफ अपडेट स्टार्ट करने से पहले ना, आई थिंक आई शुड गिव यू गाइज अ लिटिल इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट मी, बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने कभी अपना खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दिया है. एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर, शायद से पहली वाली वीडियो पे दिया था, बट इट्स बीन सो लॉन्ग. आई थिंक 2-3 साल तो हो चुका है आराम से. Okay, to start with, hi, I'm Ritika. I just turned 24 this March, and जो मुझे एकदम ही फील नहीं हो रहा है कि मैं 24 की हूँ या फिर ऐसा कुछ. आई एम स्टिल एट 16-17 का माइंडसेट, क्योंकि उससे आगे मैं बढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ. तो दैट्स लाइक अ प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो आई एम स्टिल नॉट अ ग्रेजुएट गर्ली. आई नो इट्स लाइक अ थिंग दैट 24 की है, अभी भी ग्रेजुएशन नहीं हुआ इसकी. I get it. Very valid point, but that is like a very big story. क्योंकि to be very short and precise, I left my college when I was in second year. So basically second year खत्म होने के बाद मैंने अपना college छोड़ दिया. Why? Maybe I'll tell that entire story in some other video. But I was in my dream college. Basically, I was just not feeling in that college, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. So I'll make another video for that. But yeah, that is the story. But अभी मैं English में graduation कर रही हूँ, but that thing is in a distant college. So basically it's like a distance degree. Yeah. So I think इतना ही introduction है. बाकी का introduction is that also I am trying to be a little more consistent with my content creation, because that is again something I really like. And I really see myself as a content creator in maybe 1 or 2 years, like a settled content creator. So I think this video is uh, the first video after I made my mind that I want to do content creation full time. So yeah, another big thing, big claim, I know. Also, I stay with my parents in my hometown at my own place. So responsibilities abhi kuch zyada aaya nahi hai. I have done like a internship back in this year only, which again did not go well, so I had to skip. Like the internship was really nice, but then it was not, going well with my life, and it was my problem. Like problem मेरी side से हो रहा था, not from their side, so I had to quit that also. But that was like a really fun experience. And yeah, like कभी मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं था, so I did that and I really liked it. uh, yeah, what else? I don't think so और कुछ बचा है अपना खुद का इंट्रोडक्शन देने में. ओ, एक और चीज़ रह चुका है, वो है my haircut. So I again stopped filming and coming in front of the camera because of my hair. अभी तो it is a little grown out for sure, but जब मैंने काटा था it was literally here, like इतना. Okay, can you, like, इतना, ये आपको लेयर दिख रहा है? It was literally like this. My hair was literally like this. But वो भी ब्लंडर मैंने ही किया है because काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा था, and I have a very bad habit of cutting my hair. Mostly when I face a lot of anxiety, stress, panic attack, I tend to cut my hair. So one day, not day, one night, it was 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m., something like that, and I was not here at my hometown. I was in my flat in Calcutta. So I was just, I was there for my internship. So I was so stressed. I was panicking a lot and I got a very bad panic attack. And I randomly chopped my hair till, till here, okay, till here. And you guys will not believe, right after chopping my hair, I started crying. And या सो उससे ज़्यादा डीप नहीं जाता है, इतना है कि स्ट्रेस में आके मैंने अपने बाल काट लिए. एंड इतना जो भी मतलब बड़ा छोटा मेरे बाल हो रहे हैं, जैसे ही थोड़ा ग्रो आउट हो रहा है मैं काट रही हूँ, जैसे ही ग्रो आउट हो रहा है काट रही हूँ. इनफैक्ट घर पे मम्मी सारे सीजर्स और नाइफ एंड वो सब छुपा देती है. नॉट लाइक आई हैव सुसाइडल थिंग्स, नो गाइस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अभी बहुत ही गंदी आदत है मुझे बाल काट देने की. सो मम्मी ने सब कुछ ऐसे छुपा के रखा हुआ है कि कभी मैं अपने बाल काट ना दूँ जो भी बचे कुछ हैं. बट दिस इज़ ऑल आई हैव राइट नाउ. और मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने लंबे बाल को मिस करती हूँ, ऑनेस्टली, नॉट इवन किडिंग गाइज. काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैं अपने लंबे बालों को मिस करती हूँ. बट एनी वे, दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैड टू शेयर विथ यू. बट या, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. हमारा प्राइमर अच्छे से सूख चुका है. बेसिकली आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना होता है आफ्टर यू अप्लाई द प्राइमर, सो इट गेट्स ड्राई एंड सेटल इनटू योर पोर्स. तो अच्छे से एक ब्लरिंग सा इफेक्ट देता है. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है, मैंने फाउंडेशन लगाना पूरा बंद कर दिया है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव. अगर आपका ऑयली स्किन है और आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्वेट करते हो, सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट समर्स के लिए भी. दिस इज़ सो 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 लाइट वेट. मैं आपको इसका टेक्स्चर दिखाती हूँ. वेट, लुक एट दिस टेक्स्चर गाइज. ओके, थोड़ा सा ब्लर हो गया. ओके, लुक एट द टेक्स्चर. ऊप्स, गिर गया. बट मैं इसका ड्रॉपर से नहीं लगाऊंगी, क्योंकि पता है बर्थडे के टाइम पे मैं इसको ड्रॉपर से लगा रही थी. इट फेल ऑन माई ड्रेस और बहुत गंदा हो गया था मेरा ड्रेस, और मैंने उसको क्लीन भी नहीं किया. आई जस्ट वेंट लाइक दैट. या, ऑल्सो डोंट स्किप योर नेक, इट इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, या सो नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद द लाइफ अपडेट थिंगी. ऑनेस्टली काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैं डरी हुई थी बिफोर फिल्मिंग दिस वीडियो. इनफैक्ट मैंने काफ़ी बार इसको रिकॉर्ड किया, फिर मैंने इसको डिलीट भी कर दिया. बट टुडे आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट डू इट, क्योंकि परफेक्ट कभी वीडियो नहीं होता है. एंड आई फील लाइक जो एकदम रॉ वीडियो बनेगा, दैट इज़ वॉट यू गाइज गना रिलेट टू. सो या, दैट्स वॉट आई थॉट, एंड वही मैं सोच के आज बना रही हूँ. एंड look at the finish, it is so glowy and इतना ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है कि एकदम चटैक से बिल्ड हो गया ये. तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Okay, so done with the entire blending process, and you can see how natural, glowy, and even toned my skin looks like. This is so good, guys. Also, another very big thing, which is why I keep disappearing from my socials, like from Instagram, from YouTube, everywhere. बस मैं यही दो करती हूँ. So, yeah, why I just keep disappearing from there, because हर बार मैं आके बोलती हूँ कि this time I won't disappear, this time I won't disappear. But then after that video goes live, I again, you know just it's like a full circle. मैं वीडियो डालती हूँ, मैं बोलती हूँ कि मैं नहीं जाऊँगी कहीं पे भी, पर मैं चली जाती हूँ. सो क्यों जाती हूँ? That is because there is a lot of things that's going on my life right now. Right now थोड़ा सा गलत होगा. It's been happening since 3-4 years, not 4, 3 years, perfectly 3 years. And it's literally killing me from inside, because बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे अफेक्ट कर रहा है ये सब चीज़ें. One big thing that is affecting me right now, not right now, it was affecting me back then, that I had to leave my dream college. And एक time पे I was um, on my, I don't know how to say, but I was on depression pills. And I had to take medicines just to calm myself down. And I literally used to sleep all day. I lost my appetite, I gained so much weight, and I lost so much hair. And a lot of things were happening. And in my third semester, I had to go to the hospital because I was so sick of a lot of things. So yeah, life was very hard and harsh back then. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा I was suffering. And उसके साथ-साथ I also have PCOD, which is a very big reason why I gained so much weight, because I used to be very thin back in my school days, and that was my normal body type. But then after my school got over, and the very beginning of lockdown, I started gaining weight, and I thought that's like a food weight gain, because honestly I never got you know I never gained weight after eating food, because I really like to eat. And not healthy food, it's like a junk food eating habit. But then I thought that it's like a very normal thing, and finally I'm gaining weight, because I used to hear a lot of negative things from people around. Like they also used to tell my mama that अपनी बच्ची को खाना नहीं देती हो क्या, इतनी दुबली है and all. I'll just pop a picture over here कि मैं कैसा दिखती थी. So I used to get all those nicknames like चिपकली है and खाना नहीं खाती है. एंड मम्मा को भी बहुत ज़्यादा ताना सुनने को मिलता था, सॉरी. बट देन when I started gaining weight, I was so happy. I used to tell my mama that, I am gaining weight finally, and I am so happy because of that. And she was like, yeah, if this is like a healthy weight gain, I'm also happy, because kabhi tumhara weight gain nahi hua hai. And this is the very first time my uh, entire family was seeing me a little chubby. तो उसके साथ साथ I got hormonal acne. पीरियड काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट होना स्टार्ट हो गया. एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो भी पीसीओडी पीसीओएस का सिम्टम्स रहता है, तो दैट वाज लाइक अ प्रॉपर लॉकडाउन टाइम जब ये सब सिम्टम्स मुझे आ रहे थे. एंड आई डिड नॉट यू नो हैड एनी आइडिया अबाउट पीसीओडी पीसीओएस और ऐसा कुछ होता है. तो मैंने सोचा कि ये सब तो वेट गेन है. एंड आई डोंट नो, मे बी मैं घर पे बैठी हूँ एंड हार्मोनल चेंजेस उसकी वजह से आई एम गेटिंग एक्ने, which is true. Like hormonal acne was due to hormonal changes only. But then but then that hormonal change was because of PCOD. So how did I got to know? I used to Google a lot, like I'm getting this and that, and why my period is getting so much delayed, because इतना ज़्यादा delay कभी नहीं होता है. I remember I skipped 1 month totally, So I was literally so scared, like, why am I not getting my period? Because you know, I used to get my period literally on time, and ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि कभी भी मेरा पीरियड मिस हो रहा है या फिर ऐसा कुछ. I used to get very bad cramps starting से, तो cramps was not new, but then after I got my symptoms of PCOD, I started getting very bad cramps. Like I used to faint. इतना ज़्यादा मुझे होता है cramps. And after I googled and did a lot of research about what is happening with my body, I discovered that there is something called PCOD, which messes up with your hormone, and that's what happens then. That is what gives you a lot of hormonal acne. I used to get acne on my this jaw, on my entire face, on my chest, on my neck, on my arms, here, on my back, and every possible place on my body. So I'll again pop a picture over here what my face used to look like. I used to not see my face in the mirror for days, okay, for days. And I lost my confidence. I got so chubby. Like, I have never seen this much weight in my entire life on me. I started hating myself. I started body shaming me, and I got very bad suicidal back then. And all I wanted is to quit my life. And that was a very rough phase because I can't go out, I can't meet my friends, and basically it was like a four wall and me in the house, and that was very isolating. And after things got a little better with the COVID situation, I went to see a doctor, and doctor gave me those tests which I did, and we got to know that yeah, I have PCOD. So that's how I got diagnosed with PCOD, and after that, I used to, you know, treat very badly, very badly. I quit sugar, I quit maida, I quit dairy, and a lot of things. Basically, that was like a very tough situation for me, and also I couldn't sleep at night. So when doctor gave me the medicine, I won't name it, but yeah, so basically that medicine is supposed to stop your acne, and will help you get back your period. So when he gave that medicine to me, and I did a little backstory, not a backstory, sorry, did a little research about that medicine, I got to know that it is really bad for you and your health, and it is going to mess up with your health in the future. So, what I decided is I will not take the medicine and I'll heal my body by myself. Okay, how? I have no idea. When? I have no idea. So, I had very bad, tough time sleeping because I couldn't sleep in the night, and basically I used to stay awake the entire night, and in the morning I used to get migraine attacks and a lot of other health issues. So yeah, sleep was something that was really affecting my body. And after that, I started getting panic attacks, which I did not even know that what the hell was that, because everything was very new. Because before that, I was literally living a normal life, like a normal girl would, and I had no idea about what is panic attack and everything. So I used to tell my mom that I don't know, my hand is shaking, and it's getting very sweaty and hot and everything. My heartbeat is very fast. I don't know what to do. And she used to tell me that probably gas ho chuka hai, probably you are having acidity and stuff, so that's why it's happening, which is true because my eating habit back then was very bad. Like, I used to eat anything and everything at a very random timing. So yeah, acidity तो होता था, but उन्हें कभी ये समझ में नहीं आया कि what I am talking about, because they were also new to this entire PCOD, panic attack, and everything concept. So yeah, that's what she used to tell me, that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, you are thinking a lot, it's like overthink and all. So that happened, and they never actually listened to me what I'm trying to say. Then I started isolating myself even more, and then the worst, I started losing friends one by one. Like ऐसे ही पहले से I used to have a very counted friends, okay, like counted number of friends. But then after the lockdown started, our school got over, I started losing a lot of my friends. So I used to have like a friend group back in the school, and that broke up, and I was so depressed and sad about it, because I did not, I did not really interacted with a lot of people in the school back then, which I obviously regret now. But then the only group I had in the school was that group, and people started getting out of that group, and the group did not go, and the group, broke up, and I was so sad. And I just had my best friend with me and few other friends, and yeah, so that was the situation. And my best friend was also going through something in her personal life, so I did not want to bother her a lot. So I I just thought that let me not tell her, because it's gonna bother her a lot. And I used to not tell all my problems to anyone, but I used to share my problems with my best friend, of course. But I did not want to overburden her, because she was also going through a lot in her life. So yeah, I kept a lot of things inside me, and life went like that. After that, I started preparing for my NIFT entrance exam, and I was literally so passionate about, I was so passionate about content creation, which was not a big thing back then. And when I told my father that I want to start content creation, he said that, you know just focus into your career, and ये सब हमारी घर की बेटियां नहीं करती हैं and stuff, which made me really really sad, because I don't believe on all these हमारे घर की बेटियां ये नहीं करती वो नहीं करती, and all those bullshit basically. And I got so angry. बट अगर मैं एंग्री होके कुछ कर लेती तो भी एक बात होता, बट आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग, आई जस्ट गॉट एंग्री, एंड आई स्टॉप्ड टॉकिंग विथ हिम फॉर डेज. But I was very ladly beti of my father. I am a very ladly beti of my father. So he just did a little bit of buttering to me, and फिर मैं मान गई. Simple. But yeah, after that, I started preparing for my NIFT examination, which in the first go I did not get really well, and I got center in Shillong, which I think अगर मैं उस time पे शिलोंग चली जाती तो I would have been like in a very better place right now. But Shillong मैं नहीं गई, okay, and I was also not getting my choice का degree. So my father told कि इतना दूर मैं तुमको भेजूंगी नहीं, because you keep getting sick a lot of times. तो he did not let me go, and he told me कि फिर से exam दो if you want to get into this college. अगर नहीं हुआ so we will try somewhere else. I was like okay fine, let me try once again. And फिर मैंने try किया, my ranks got better, and I got into NIFT Calcutta. फिर भी I wanted to go to Bombay, but then पापा नहीं मान रहे थे for Bombay, so I had to go to Calcutta Center because that was nearest to my place, and I also have a place where I can stay, like place of my own where I can stay in Calcutta. So yeah, that's what I had to do, and वही मैंने किया. And from 2022 I started going to the college, the dream college that I dreamt since I was a little girl. All I wanted to become is a fashion designer, which seems quite impossible to me right now. But yeah, that was what happened. And after that, things started getting worse. My health was doing whatsoever fine. उतना भी कुछ health के साथ गड़बड़ी नहीं था. But then my mental health was getting worst. Okay. So college के थोड़े दिन बाद से ही I thought that I'll now start my YouTube channel, because that time I was, staying alone in my flat, and I thought that's the perfect timing when I can actually start. Wait. Yeah, so I actually thought that I'll just start doing content creation, because कोई रोक टोक करने के लिए नहीं है. And I mean, उतना भी strict नहीं थे मेरे parents with content creation. My mama was always with me. She was like, yeah, yeah, do it. I don't have any problem. We don't have any problem like with father and all. But then I was a little scared, like, what if Papa डांटेंगे मुझे and stuff. But then I started, and I filmed my first YouTube video in the first year of college, and I was so happy. People in the college, like my friends, all of them really really hyped me up, and yeah, that was like a very good phase, and I was really really happy with whatever I was doing. And I thought, the moment I thought that things is getting better, it started getting worse, because once I posted my first YouTube video, I obviously had planned to post the second YouTube video, then third, then fourth. But then my health started acting very, very weird. And the reason, again, because I stay alone. My mom can't go and stay with me because my brother is small and he had to go to school. And yeah, so mama को इधर ही रहना था. And she can't come and stay with me there in Calcutta. So I was all alone. My health started getting very, very bad and very weird. I had no idea कि क्या हो रहा था. There was some other things also happening, which I won't be, telling in this video. Maybe in some other videos, or maybe I'll just do a storytelling video for you guys. But then, yeah, that's what was happening. After posting few videos, I again disappeared. Okay, and that started hitting me. Procrastination once started and did not stop after that. So after that, I used to post one video, then disappear, and then post another video, disappear. Always I used to say that, I will not disappear this time, and please forgive me, sorry, I won't disappear this time. But the only thing I used to do is disappear again, again and again. So that was a very bad thing that happened. And after that, after a few days, I thought that I won't continue with my content creation journey, and I will quit. I'll delete my social media account, and yeah, I'll just skip on the content creation thing and focus on my college. But then I left my college after that. And then I again thought that, okay, let me, after I left the college, I started with my anxiety pills. Okay. After I left my college, I started with my anxiety pills, and I used to sleep all day, got a lot of weight, and the hair fall got worst, my acne got worst, and instead of getting things better, it got even worse. So that is some other thing. And then after that, I thought that let me do a comeback on YouTube. I again posted few videos and got disappear, because I used to get all those anxiety and panic attack back to back, and things just kept on happening. I gave up on me, and the entire routine looked like I used to wake up very very late, skip breakfast, and then lay on my bed, do a very bad amount of doom scrolling. My screen time was really really bad back then. I used to do a lot of doom scrolling, and after my doom scrolling I used to eat lunch. Someday I used to skip my lunch, and then I used to again doom scroll, sleep on my bed, sleep otherwise, and yeah, that's what was happening. I was so sad and depressed because um, my dream college and my health and my career, everything was in a very blah position, which I had no idea कि कब कुछ बेहतर होगा and everything. So basically things got worse, and I kept on delaying my social media. कुछ टाइम बाद मेरे दिमाग से निकल चुका था कि I had this YouTube channel, and I had this amount of followers who believed and trusted on me and followed me and showed me love. Even one follower, that means a lot to me. Like, I have started from zero. Of course everybody started from zero, but then yeah, I have seen that very slow growth, because I, like, obviously I won't believe I won't blame people for that, because the small growth was happening only because of me, because I wasn't consistent with you guys. But then all the people who chose to follow me and not unfollow, I love you guys. Like, I don't know how to express, but I truly love you guys for sticking with me till today. And I hope you guys will stay with me till the last moment. I don't know when the last will, but then this entire video is a comeback video, that's what you can say. And from today I am going to be consistent on YouTube, on Instagram. So Instagram में भी same ही होता था. I used to post 3 4 reels, and फिर I used to get disappear, and the cycle continued. So okay, so I totally forgot that I am doing my makeup, but okay, that is not an issue. Where's my mirror? Wait, I really like these glittery eyes. I make very simple eye looks. I make very simple eye looks, and then I add a little bit of glitter on my inner corner, and that just makes the entire look so glam. Just look at this. Glittery eyes. I love glittery eyes. Okay, that was lame and creepy. Anyway, ऑनेस्टली स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा मुझे वियर्ड लग रहा था टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो, बट अब कुछ देर बातें करने के बाद आई फील दैट आई एम बैक एट इट, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी बैक हियर. काफ़ी टाइम से मुझे ये लग रहा था कि आई विल पोस्ट द वीडियो जो कि एकदम परफेक्ट है, और उस परफेक्शन के चक्कर में मैंने कभी भी पोस्ट नहीं किया. एंड दैट इज़ सच अ बमर, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस बनाए हुए हैं पहले, एंड वो कभी मैंने एडिट करके डाला ही नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि वो सब परफेक्ट नहीं है. एंड आई फील सो गिल्टी जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, क्योंकि दिस इज सच अ childish thing. Yeah, so basically that kept on happening back to back, and yeah, at this point I just think that this is the most honest video I have ever made, honestly. And I am a little bit proud of myself for making this video, क्योंकि this was like a long due video कि मैं आप लोगों को काफ़ी टाइम से बताना चाहती थी कि why I keep on just getting disappear from all my socials. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा important था for you guys to know. I basically lost my confidence and motivation, and आई आई हैड नो आइडिया कि मेरी लाइफ का एम क्या है, मुझे करना क्या है लाइफ में। क्योंकि बचपन से मैंने यही सोचा था कि आई गो इनटू माय ड्रीम कॉलेज निफ्ट, एंड I'll just pursue fashion designing, and that's what I am going to become, a fashion designer. बट उसके आगे कभी मैंने सोचा ही नहीं कि मुझे करना क्या है, मुझे बनना क्या है। इसके अलावा अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ, लाइक आई नेवर हैड अ प्लान बी। तो I got stuck in my life there. काफ मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्राई किया कि आई गेट इनटू अ रूटीन, आई वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, आई वर्क आउट, बट काफ़ी ज़्यादा बर्नआउट हो जाता था 1-2 दिन के बाद ही। आई यूज्ड टू नॉट एबल टू फॉलो अ परफेक्ट रूटीन, कोई हैबिट नहीं बन रहा था। इतना ज़्यादा ओवरथिंकिंग, इतना ज़्यादा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग, मतलब I was not able to do anything in my life, just to sit and doom scroll. रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आता था, and I used to struggle sleeping a lot. काफ़ी ज़्यादा मैंने कोशिश किया कि मैं कुछ ये कर लेती हूँ, वो कर लेती हूँ, बट आई एंडेड अप डूइंग नथिंग, क्योंकि मेरे मेरे लिए कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा था एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। एंड आई एम स्टिल इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द लाइन, लाइक मेरे लिए रेस कभी स्टार्ट हुआ ही नहीं है। सो आई एम लिटरली इन द पॉइंट ए, वट एवर यू वांट टू से, लाइक ओके। सो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सैड और सीरियस और इंटेंस हो रहा था वीडियो, बट okay, so let me talk about the changes that I want to make, and that's what I thought about myself कि क्या करके मैं खुद को improve कर सकती हूँ, and hence the video. So basically I want to, ऐसा कोई ड्रामेटिक कमबैक मुझे नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज आई नो आई विल फेल इन दिस ड्रामेटिक कमबैक, एंड आई वांट दिस कमबैक और चेंज वॉट एवर टू बी वेरी वेरी रियल एंड कॉन्शियस एंड सस्टेनेबल। क्योंकि I get bored of things very very easily, not people. To people I am, like, I'm very very loyal to my friends and people around me, because I don't like to experiment a lot with my loved ones. But then with other things I am open to experiment. So just a second. I really really like this tint. अभी तो ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लाल लग रहा है because I just applied, but then I'll do another lip gloss on top of this and you will see how good it looks like. तो बस मैंने यही सोचा कि अब और नहीं, आई विल focus on myself, and it's high time that I do that. So that's what I am planning to do as of now. So you guys will be accountable for this, because of course I am saying it out loud on camera, and obviously ये video तो post होगा for sure. So yes, so अगर मैं काफ़ी बार मैंने सो बोल दिया, वेरी सॉरी अबाउट इट, बट देन अगर मैं ये वीडियो पोस्ट कर रही हूँ, सो आई एम वेरी वेरी सीरियस अबाउट दिस entire change, entire comeback and entire process. And I will keep posting from today on, and I will be very very serious, I promise you guys, like a pinky promise. But again, I just wanted to say a little bit about my content niche and everything. I think that will be a little helpful for you guys. So मैं हर बार इंट्रो में यही बोलती हूँ कि आई मेक वीडियोस ऑन फैशन, ब्यूटी, लाइफस्टाइल एंड ब्लॉग समटाइम्स। तो फैशन में आई विल मेक यू नो outfit recommendations and styling outfits, and also clothing haul and jewelry haul and accessories haul and everything basically. So that is all about fashion. For beauty I will do skincare, hair care, and what else, makeup. Of course I'll give you makeup tutorials, and yeah, like all the makeup and skincare related things. And for lifestyle I will give you some you know girl to girl conversations and things that I have learned from my own experience, things I learned from the people I admire, my day to day life, and what my entire day looks like, and what all I am doing for this change, this big shift in my life, because it is going to be a very, very big change in my life. And I am very, very excited for that. So maybe I will join gym, I'll work on myself, I eat healthy, clean, and honestly, food that support my health and my gut and everything. And for vlogs, there will be a lot of fun vlogs, randomly and intentionally and everything. So ऐसा कुछ मेरा लाइफ एक्साइटिंग तो नहीं है, बट देन आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट एक्साइटिंग एंड न्यू फॉर यू गाइस. तो I'll just try to vlog whenever there is something happening in my life, वरना थोड़ा सा boring हो जाएगा honestly. But then you can expect some realistic vlogs and some fun vlogs, some solo vlogs, and yeah, something like this. So yeah, that's all I had to say. ये थोड़ा सा लाइफ अपडेट मुझे देना था, क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका था. एंड काफ़ी बार, मतलब हर बार मैं आती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू से दैट आई एम सो सॉरी, आई कुडंट फिल्म, आई एम सो सॉरी, आई वाज not there on YouTube for so long, not there on Instagram for so long. And I just kept on saying sorry, and kept on saying that I will be back very, very soon, I will be back from this time, but then never, never, never really showed up. What was that three times never that I just said? But anyway, okay, so I am still left with my mascara. Mascara. I love mascara. But I'll just apply a very thin coat because I have a very bad allergy on my eye, which is a little, settled down right now. वरना मैं ये वीडियो नहीं कर पाती, तो मैं बस ज़्यादा अपनी आँखों को प्रेशर नहीं देना चाहती हूँ. I just love talking on camera. I just love talking to you guys. And I feel so light. Like honestly, I feel so light after having this conversation. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे सामने मेरी best friend बैठी है and I'm just talking to her. You all are my best friends. I love you guys so much. Let's make a big family as soon as possible, because of course that's what every content creator wants. And I think now my subscribers are 200 something, maybe. I don't remember. Wait, देख के बताती हूँ. No, I'm very sorry. I am at 375 subscribers currently, and let's see कितना क्या हो पाता है. And today is today is 12th of May, and let's see कि ये वीडियो पोस्ट करने के बाद कितने फॉलोअर, कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ते हैं. सो ऑल्सो यू गाइज टेल मी कि आप लोगों को कौन सी टाइप की वीडियोस देखना है, एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियो यू गाइज वांट टू सी, एंड यू गाइज वांट टू यू नो लाइक कुछ भी आपको देखना है, यू कैन जस्ट कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी डीएम करके बता सकते हैं कि आपको कौन से टाइप के वीडियोस देखने हैं ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑन यूट्यूब बोथ. सो आई जस्ट मेंशन माय हैंडल ओवर हियर, सो गो फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम एंड लेट्स कनेक्ट देयर, लेट्स कनेक्ट हियर. सो let's just make a family, and like a virtual family, and yeah, make it a beautiful, safe, positive, and you know girly coded area space, online space, virtual space. इतना ज़्यादा मैंने बात कर लिया है. I am now losing like getting out of words. But yeah, of course, I have not really decided everything at once. काफ़ी टाइम लग गया मुझे इस पॉइंट तक आने के लिए, एंड अभी भी I am not sure about a lot of things in my life, but I think let's just figure out together. So yeah, I hope you guys are gonna join me in this journey, in this comeback journey, and getting themselves back, like getting ourselves back themselves. getting ourselves back in life. And अगर आप भी off track जा चुके हो and आप भी बहुत ज़्यादा procrastinate करते हो, so I think this video is something that will, you know, help you to get back on track with your life. So yeah. ओके, सो बात करते करते मैंने अपना मेकअप भी कर लिया है एंड आई एम डन विथ माई वेरी सिंपल एंड यू नो गो टू मेकअप रूटीन. बालों को मैंने जस्ट हल्का सा ब्लो आउट किया था आफ्टर वॉशिंग माई हेयर एंड थोड़ा सा मैंने स्ट्रेट किया है आगे से, बिकॉज माई हेयर इज़ सुपर सुपर कर्ली एंड वेवी, नॉट कर्ली, वेवी. सो इट्स लाइक अ वेवी टू कर्ली हेयर. oops but then yeah, I really like my straight hair, so I have just straightened my hair. इससे ज़्यादा मैं अपने बालों के साथ कुछ नहीं कर सकती, but I will obviously try to do something with my hair and experiment this time, this year. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys like today's video. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा real, raw, honest and थोड़ा सा vulnerable and TMI wala video tha, but I really wanted to come here and speak to you guys about what's happening behind the camera, because um, I just wanted to explain and tell you guys and share everything that's going on in my life. That's all, nothing beyond that. And इस बार मैं कोई promise नहीं करूँगी, but I will show up in my next YouTube video very very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe, because that really really means a lot to me. Like every subscriber counts, and I just love them so much, like all the people who have subscribed. And if you're watching this video, I am super grateful for you guys. Like you guys matter a lot to me, and you guys have a very special place in my heart. So it's like a very real and honest feeling, but I don't know what to say, and I just don't want to cry in this video, because I just did a very glowy and cutesy makeup. But yeah, so that's all I just had to say to you guys. And always remember, I love you guys so much. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And also, if you guys like, want to talk to me and feel like you are going through the same phase of your life, then please feel free to DM. I'm always there for my girlies. And also, if you want to comment, just comment down below. And again, I'm always there for you guys. And just tell me if you're going through the same, and we will be in a same journey. This is all about self improvement and loving the way we are, and self love and growth and everything. Let's just figure out things together and love each every. So let's just figure out. So let's just get in this journey together and prove ourselves, not anyone else. Just prove ourselves that we are better, we are capable, and we are you know love worthy, and we deserve everything in this world. So yeah, just keep loving yourself, and just love yourself. This is the very first thing. Don't forget to respect and love yourself, because you are the first one who will start loving your own self, and after that people will start loving you. So if you respect yourself, love yourself, and you know uh, basically if you just love and respect yourself, other people will do the same for you. But if you are someone who is hating yourself and not respecting your own self, then how other people will do it? So just think like that. And yeah, with that, we are towards end of today's video. I hope this video is somewhat I don't know what to say. Like, I just hope that I am able to convey whatever I'm trying to say uh, with this video. And बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने बोल लिया है, and this video is super long. So for now, I will just sign off and see you guys in my next video. And if you like today's video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video, so that I can understand that you guys are connecting with me more and more with all my videos. And there will be a lot of videos, I promise, a lot of videos, lined up for you guys. So iske baad se I will keep on posting. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. Please like, subscribe and share my video. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much if you are still watching till here. And if you are still watching till here, then please comment this emoji, so that I can understand you guys are the real ones. Okay, and with that, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.